Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Taletiya. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to you can write your first program in Java language. So guys, in this video I am showing how to you can print hello world in Java. So guys, if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press a bell icon. If you are like this video, click on like button, and any suggestion and help you need, then comment in comment box. So guys, I am opening my Visual Studio Code. Here I am going to write all my Java language code. So if you have another editor, that's not problem. So guys, you can set up for this Java in your system. So guys, I am going to make a new folder in my drive. Here I am already make a folder. Its name is Java. So guys, I am all program is written and save in this folder. So I am opening this folder. So I am selecting this folder and I am write all the code in this folder. So I am going to create new file and given I am giving to this file name is first program. I am not writing full name, I am only writing a first Java. You can write your as your choice. Here I am going to write my code for printing hello world in Java. So create class hello bracket, here public static void main string. Remember that you need to write a capital letter of string. Here I am going to pass argument, and here I am going to print hello world. Hello world. So guys, this is the code for hello world. I am going to run it. So here is the run Java. So guys, this is the output of our program. Here successfully hello world is to be printed.